Today, let's talk about the Stone Age. For that, let's go back in time. Do you all know that the Stone Age marks a period of prehistory in which humans used primitive stone tools, lasting roughly 2.5 million years? The Stone Age ended around 5,000 years ago, when humans in the Near East began working with metal and making tools and weapons from bronze. This age, hence, was called the Bronze Age. During the Stone Age, humans shared the planet with a number of now extinct homin relatives, including Neanderthals and Denisovans. However, these species are no more. It is typically broken or divided into three distinct periods: the Paleolithic, Upper Stone Age, the Mesolithic period, Middle Stone Age, and the last Neolithic period, the Lower Stone Age, or the New Stone Age, or as we can call the Neolithic Revolution. Did you know humans weren't the first to make or use stone tools? Some 3.3 million years ago, an ancient species that lived on the shores of Lake Turkana in Kenya earned that distinction. A full 700,000 years before the earliest members of the Homo genus emerged. Early in the Stone Age, humans lived in tiny nomadic groups. During much of this period, the Earth was in an ice age, a freezing cold period of colder global temperatures and glacial expansion. Mastodons, saber-toothed cats such as saber-toothed tigers, giant ground sloths, and other megafauna roamed. Stone Age humans hunted large mammals, including woolly mammoths, giant bison, and deer. They used stone tools to cut, pound, and crush, making them better at extracting meat and other nutrients from animals and plants than their early ancestors. What were they doing during the Stone Age? Much of what we know about the life in the Stone Age and Stone Age people come from the tools they left behind. Hammer stones are some of the earliest and simplest stone tools. As technology progressed, humans created increasingly more sophisticated stone tools. These included hand axes, spear points for hunting large game, scrapers which could be used to prepare animal hides, and awls for shedding plant fibers and making clothing. Stone Age food. Stone Age food varied over time and from region to region, but included the foods typical of hunter-gatherers: meats, fish, eggs, grasses, tubers, fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. The oldest pottery known was found at an archaeological site in Japan. Fragments of clay containers used in food preparation at the site may be up to 16,500 years old. Wow, that's such an old age. Stone Age art. Do you like painting? Well, how about you know more about this art of the Stone Age? The oldest known Stone Age art dates back to a later Stone Age period known as the Upper Paleolithic, about 40,000 years ago. Art began to appear around this time in parts of Europe, the Near East, Asia, and Africa. Examples are the Lascaux paintings in France and the Bhimbetka caves in Madhya Pradesh. Humans started carving symbols and signs onto the walls of caves during the Stone Age using hammer stones and stone chisel. These pictures depicted scenes of rituals and hunting and were not only used to decorate the caves, but were also painted before hunting to immediately hope that the hunting session will go on for the best. With this, thank you so much for joining me on my trip to the Stone Age. Until next time, bye-bye.